Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Zmoke Vlogs. I'm here with another video. So I just got back from Kerala after finishing that adventure event, and we're off to another small trip to Yercaud. This is just a chill out ride, you know. Go there, not gonna do any off-roading or anything, just chill out, you know, enjoy the place, enjoy the weather, and then come back. So the time is around 8. It's almost 8. We're supposed to leave at 7, but my alarm didn't go off for some reason, so I slept in. But it's not too far. Google shows around 73, but it's actually close to 200 kilometers. ETA is 4 hours, so considering all the brakes and everything, I think we should be good. And the clouds, man, the weather is typical Bangalore weather again. It's gloomy today as well, and I hope it doesn't rain, because I didn't bring my rain covers for my luggage. But it's okay. It's a beautiful day to ride, chill weather, you know. There's 2 of my buddies coming along with this ride. I'll introduce those guys to you. I'll introduce you guys to them, or those guys to you. So there are actually 2 routes to go to Yercaud. The Google shows another route. There's one route that goes to Salem, and from there you climb the Yercaud hill. But there's an alternate route as well that is shorter, but it is a little adventurous. So we haven't decided which route to take it. I want to do the adventurous route to see what is so adventurous about it. I'm guessing mostly it's bad patches of road and some interior forest route, which is fine for the ADV. But there are 2 other bikers. One is a Apache 310 and another is an Apache 200. So let's see how it goes. If we are making good time, I think we'll take the adventurous route. But you have to stop for fuel as well, stop for breakfast somewhere. We'll decide all that on the go, because the plan is always no plan. That is the best plan to make. So let's hit the road. We'll try to capture some good shots and show it to you guys. If you are new here, do consider subscribing. If you have already subscribed, then hats off to you guys. Let's hit that 1K mark soon. Let's go. Our first fuel break is done. Filled up our tanks. These are our 2 co-riders for today. One is Mecca, one is Jaffa. So I think we are done for the petrol side, because we won't be filling up again. At least I won't be filling up again. So this is the lineup. We have an Apache 200 and an Apache RR 310 today. Hi friends. Photo na? 360 ಆನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ಸಾಕು. ಇದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. ನಿನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೆಗ್ಸು. ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ? ಹೆವಿಯಾಗಿ ಒದೆ ತಿಂದಿದೆ ಹಿಂದೆ. ಜಗ ವೈಡಂಗಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. We're done with the fuel stop, done with the air stop. Now we are off to Krishnagiri. This is the lineup for today. My bike is due for service. Around, I have to give it for service around 13,000. Maybe after this trip I'll give it. So this is Mr. Jagga on his Apache RR 310. I'll show you the other guy. And this is Mr. Mahesh Gowda on his Apache 200. So this is the lineup for today.
ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. 60-70
ಬಂದ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓವರ್
ನಾನು 80 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು. Guys, we had our breakfast, masala dosa, one puri. We have another 49 kilometers to Omalur. From there we go to Salem. Then we have Salem, we go to Yercaud. While coming back, we will take that route. It's adventurous one because we haven't booked our stays or anything. So it's better if we don't get lost. And surprisingly, I'm getting a mileage of 40 with an average speed of 71 kilometers per hour. So once we start to climb the Yercaud hill, I'll resume again. Till then, I think it's only highways, so nothing else to show here. Go slow, go slow. In second gear. Okay. And this place is filled with those rumble strips. Guys, we are at the foothills of Yercaud. I mean, we're just crossing Salem. From here the climb starts. Right, let's go. We're already here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no and still go.
Yeah, baby. Why is the map showing a red? What is the traffic here? Toll gate. Why is there a fucking toll gate? Look at the view at the left. Amazing. Amazing. Goddamn. Ooh, we got the juicy ones coming up. Look at the map. Look at that. What is this? What if not? It's mountain. Let's go. crazy, man. Holy shit, these are crazy bins. We get another hairpin band. Fuck this, man.
Till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Go when you feel slow, you can still go. Go when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Let's hope these guys make it. Oh. That's awesome. Let's wait for our co-riders, then continue. 23 minutes. Guys, we reached Yercaud. So we are roaming on the streets of Yercaud. We're giving us some tea.
We are having some tandoori chai.
Tandoori chai.
Yeah, tandoori chai.
We found this place.
It's a mixture of
Mixture
ginger
of
tea,
elaichi,
masala tea.
ginger tea, masala, everything is mixed in this. And it tastes like everything. I'll show you our stay as well. It is called Yen Stay Namda. Amel Helthi. Hey guys, we finally got a place to stay. We are staying at Shushmika Resorts or Shushmika Hotels, I think. It's a wonderful place. We have 2 bedrooms there and a huge hall. I can show you that. And this is day 2 actually. Yesterday I couldn't vlog because batteries were out and we were roaming around Airport. And I'll show you where our bikes are standing. See, the bikes are here. There's the Apache. I'll show you the room as well. How it is. It will be a little dirty, but bear with me, guys. So this is the room. We got a big hall, couple of sofas here. We have a mini fridge over there, microwave, a small spot to if you can work here also. This is the room. We got 2 beds for 3 people. It is plenty. A very good bathroom as well. And I'm also doing a bathroom tour. Yeah. So yeah, we have a good place here. We're going to have breakfast now and capture this place via the drone, and I'll show it to you guys. So stay tuned.